Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, my name is Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a dime on all my social media platforms. And I do all things reselling in person, online, as well as positivity and motivation. So be sure if that sounds like something you're interested in, you do hit that little subscribe as well as bell icon to be alerted when I put out new content. So I have two very large boxes here. I'll show you. Two large boxes like this. It's supposed to be 50 pounds of denim. They end up weighing about 28 pounds per box usually, so they give you a little extra, which is awesome because sometimes you're going to make your money back and sometimes you get two boxes of just crap. So today I'm going to show you what I got and see if we're going to make some money on these boxes or lose out on money. So hopefully more winning than losing. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. I guess I didn't say, it was 50 pounds for $50 from Thredup, and it ends up being like 58 after the shipping as well as tax and stuff. So it's more like 60 bucks for two large boxes of denim. Sorry, to start here, this Old Navy, and they have a lot of wear on the bottoms. So this will be something that I will just redonate. I don't sell anything with any wear to the bottoms or the butt area or anything like that. And I will say that I do sell a lot to Style Encore that I will not take the time to list. For example, these H&M jeans, they are really cute. But I will just go ahead and take it to them. They may not take them though because it does look like it's more of a flare leg. But these are in really good condition, so. All right, next is a pair of NJD. So I forget what the name or the brand is, but there's wear to the bottom again. So that's going to go to the redonate pile. I cannot pronounce this. These are cute. I really like the denim. It's a lighter wash and the bottoms are good. So we'll see if I just take it directly to them or list. I haven't heard of this brand, but I don't think it's a good brand. Like a higher end brand, I should say. All right, this is New York NJD. Now this is an example of something that is in good condition, but I doubt they take it just because I'm going to take it to my buy, sell, trade, sell store. I doubt they take it just because this is peeling off. But they're in really good condition, so maybe they'll take them. And they're a larger size, so I'll throw that in their pile. All right, this is a pair of J. Galt Shanghai. It seems like it might be a better brand, but I'm not for sure. I have not heard of this brand before. I do like the style of pant. It's a higher waist, and then it kind of tapers at the bottom to where you can roll the bottoms. So again, I will look up that brand and just see. All right, these are new with tags, and these are Zara. Oh, no, they're not new with tags, sorry. But they are Zara. I see why they didn't take them. You know, they're kind of blown out, and that's ripped. So these will go to the redonate, or maybe I'll just kind of get rid of them. We'll see. Maybe I'll make them cut off shorts. We'll see. What do you think I should do with them? All right, so these are men's. That's probably why they didn't take them. I can tell right away. But they're Levi's. They're in decent condition. The bottoms aren't, there's not really that much wear. So I'll probably just go ahead and list them. Because, I mean, Style Encore doesn't take men, so they won't take them there. All right, Indigo Rain. Not a nice, like, not a super high-end brand. But they're in good condition, so those are going to go directly to Plato's. I'm going to try and keep my piles separate here. Another Indigo Rain, but I did see a stain. Where is it? Right there. Stain right there. So that'll go in the redonate pile. All right, this is a pair of Hudson. Hudson is a good brand, depending on the style that you get. And these look like they're a good style. Ew. What is that? Oh, it's just a twig. So they probably didn't take them because for some reason there was a twig on the bottom, but I think I can wipe that off. Let me see if there's a style name inside of it. No, I don't see the style name, but they're in good condition and they're a size 26, which is a decent size. So I will sell those myself. Wanna bet a butt? Why am I? Okay, as long as these are in good condition, this will be another Plato's Closet, and for the reason of it is a junior sizing, size 7. Style Encore does not take junior sizes. They will tell me just to go ahead and send it directly to Plato's. All right, Garage. I feel like I've heard this brand before, but again, it's a size 1, which is junior sizing, so I'm gonna look them up for comps and more than likely just send them to Plato's. All right, a pair of True Religion. I used to get excited about finding True Religion, but it doesn't really sell the best anymore. I know it will still sell. I might go ahead and just try and take it to Style Encore because they probably will just price it up a little bit for me. And it'll probably be exactly what I can get online for them, more than likely. But yeah, they're in good condition. Some styles do better than others, so I could look up the style name. All right, these are kids. That's why they didn't take them. And they are very worn. So, donate. All right, another pair of men's, and it's the same size, so it's probably the same person. Ooh, there's like stuff in this box, so yeah. But they're in good condition. Those will be a pair that I will list. Probably can expect to get 15 to 20 out of them, especially because they're in good condition. All right, this is a J. Crew skirt. It's cute. It kind of reminds me of like schoolgirl vibes or something, like preppy. I'll sell that one myself. Not going to be a huge money maker, but all right, 7 for All Mankind, another 26, and these are boot cuts. That doesn't look like boot cut. It kind of reminds me of flare a little bit, but they're in good condition. I don't do as well with 7 for All Mankind like I used to, so I may go ahead and just send it to my buy, sell, trade, sell store. All right, a pair of American Eagle. I do like finding American Eagle. And these are in good condition, aside from, it looks like the butt is a little bit wore. If you can see, it's kind of stretched out there. So I don't know if I'm going to list these myself or just try to take it to the buy, sell, trade, sell store and just get it over with. If it didn't have that, though, I would list it myself. I mean, American Eagle sells really good. All right, Zara. I have not seen that label by Zara, but these are cute. The frayed hem there. I think they're more of a capri or ankle type jean because they don't look very long. Another pair of American Eagle. All right, this one, the butt looks fine, but I don't know how the front looks. It looks like it's just a little bit wore around the distressing, which is okay. I mean, people still love American Eagle, so I'll sell those ones myself. All right, a pair of Paige. I'm getting some good brands, just not good styles by the good brands, like the 7 for All Mankind. Oh, it is, if you see, pulled, so these will go to the donate pile. I won't be able to sell those. And they're being worn, so hopefully I can find some better ones in the next box. Oh, well, this is a good one, Rag & Bone. So I do really well with Rag & Bone typically, but these are in good condition. Let's see what size they are. I just hate it because most of the boxes, they're smaller. So these are a size 28. They do look smaller than a 28, though. And they're in good condition. Hold on, someone's calling. Okay. All right, the next pair here is Sound Girl. So this is just like a Deb's store or type brand. Size 3. As long as they're in good condition, I don't see anything wrong. Yep. Plato's Closet pile. Oh my gosh, my cat is inside the box now. All right, I'm going to pause this for a second and get started on the next box with you guys. All right, this one felt a little heavier than the last one, but that doesn't mean anything. It could have just been because it got lighter once I took all the jeans out. All right, so the next pair is an Old Navy. It's like a blue wash. They're in good condition, so that is going to go to the buy, sell, trade, sell stores. All right, another pair of Gap. These are actually a cute style, so as long as there's no stains, this will be going to the buy, sell, trade, sell store. guarantee they'll take those. And I can expect to get $5 to $8 per pair of denim, depending on the brand name. Like if I took the Rag & Bones, they'd probably give me 20, because I think they list theirs about 50 in the store. And then if the 7 for Our Mankind and Hudson, I'll probably get 8 to 10. And just depending on once they put the brand name in and stuff. All right, this is just an Ann Taylor loft. Good condition. That is going to the buy, sell, trade, sell store. All right, these look very dated, but they also look like they could be men's. I'm not seeing a brand name, but they're not men's, so I don't know. I won't list them though, because it's definitely the wash that's kind of like mid 2000s. That's not in style anymore. All right, American Eagle. Hopefully the butt is not stretched out, and it doesn't look like it. So the bottom is just a frayed hem. And the fronts look good too. So this will be one that I list. I like listing American Eagle. It's not a huge money maker again, but it's gonna make your money back. All right, Indigo Rain. Taking to Plato's because it's a size 5. I feel like these just keep coming. All right, Sloan Fit. I believe this is J. Crew or Ann Taylor. They kind of ripped out the brand name for some reason, so the sizing is still there and they're in good condition, so I'm going to take those to the buy, sell, trade, sell store. All right, Express jeans. These are in really good condition. I don't like the wash, so again, buy, sell, trade, sell store. It's just not worth my time listing. It'll probably take a little bit to sell them, being Express. All right, 7 for Our Mankind, size 27. And these ones are in really good condition. The knees look like they might be faded a little bit, or it's just the light bringing out the wash of them. But again, I don't know if I'm going to list the 7 for Our Mankind or just go ahead and take it to my buy, sell, trade, sell store. I'll count how many pair I get in the end and kind of break down how much I paid per item. I usually get 50 for the, 60 bucks, since it's a little over 50. So that makes it just like a buck and something, minus the casualties. All right, so the knees are a little bit wore. I don't know if they will take them because of that, but I will try to take it there. More American Eagle. This is the most American Eagle I've gotten in a box. I'm so surprised. These ones are a smaller size. I will take these ones to the buy, sell, trade, sell store. They're a size 4. They just look really small for a 4. I like to list American Eagles when it's like 8 and bigger, as well as like medium and bigger, typically large, because the smaller sizes take just a little bit longer to sell. All right, these are just kids jeggings. These look a little big for my 10-year-old, but I may give them to her if they fit her. She's very skinny, but she's tall. So those may be hers. All right, a pair of maternity. Hopefully these are my size. Indigo blue. No, they're a petite small. I need like a large, extra large. But maternity will sell. I just need to obviously wipe off whatever is white up here, and I'll list those myself. The smaller sizes, again, don't do so well because most people who are pregnant are not a size extra small or small. I mean, maybe they are, but not that I've ran across. All right, this is a pair of Express. They may or may not take them because this is cracking, but they're in good condition. So, oh, minus whatever is white. Oh, it's just some fuzzies and stuff. So they may take those. All right, high waist Barbara Hudson. Okay, this looks like a newer style, and they feel really good. I will list these ones myself and see what I can get for them. Hudson, again, it does pretty decent, especially if it's a little bit of a bigger size. I say bigger, like 30s is a good size. All right, these are Hollister. They're in size 13, so style won't take them, but Plato's Closet will. Plato's Closet loves Hollister and American Eagle and stuff like that. All right, some Cat and Jack shorts. These are way too small for my daughter. They're just a 7/8, so she won't be able to wear these, but I can take it to Once Upon a Child probably and sell it there. Tinseltown. I'll take this to Plato's. I believe that's more of a junior brand. AG Jeans, which is a good brand. The Stevie Slim Straight. That's what the brand looks like. These are decent as long as I don't see anything wrong with them as I go through them. Yep, they're in good condition, so I'll list those ones myself. I've been getting about $40 to $60 per pair of AG jeans as long as they are in like style or recently made, you know. Old Navy. So these are actually in really good condition, and my Style Encore actually is looking for bigger sizes, so I know they'll take those. All right, Garage, which I'm pretty sure Garage is a decent brand if I'm not mistaken. So these shorts I will be listing. They're cute and good condition too. All right, these are American Eagle, but these are definitely a men's. I'm pretty sure, or they're just super old style. They might just be a super old style. I don't know what I'll do with those because I know the buy, sell, trade, sell store will not take those considering they look, okay, they're men's, 30 by 34. So maybe, maybe Plato's Closet. All you gotta do is just take out this little date code that's on the inside that says the date. So it says 8 of 15 on them. Yeah, they won't take it if it's in there because 2015 was 7 years ago and they like to keep it within 2 years. All right, D jeans. Not excited about them, but again, I'll just take it to the buy, sell, trade, sell store. All right, we got some shorts, some more Garage shorts, but they are a junior sizing, and these ones are a size 1, which is a little bit smaller, but I will probably just go ahead and try and sell them myself. These are Jumping Beans 4T. I'm not sure. Yep, those are wear. So that's going to get redonated because Once Upon a Child will not take anything with any wear. Iman. Not sure on that brand. But they are a bigger size and they're in good condition. So Style Encore should take them. I just don't know with it being purple denim. All right, these are Vigos, which I do like Vigos when I wear it for myself, but as far as resell, it doesn't resell for the best. Unfortunately, the size was cut out, so they may not take them. Because I know Vigos usually is sized in junior sizing. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's junior sizing. All right, another pair of Old Navy Rockstar, and these are a bigger size in really good condition. Gonna take it to Style Encore. All right, last pair here. Yeah, just little kids, but there's stains all over them, so redonate or get rid of. All right, that was everything in that box too. So 1 second, let me count and I will be right back. All right, so it ended up being 43 pairs that I can actually resell, 10 casualties that I can't resell, so total of 53, but I'm not gonna count the 10 since obviously I'm not gonna be able to make any money off of them. About half I'm gonna be listing and half I'm gonna be taking to the buy, sell, trade, sell store. So I should make some instant money on the spot, enough to pay for this box considering it was only like 60 something bucks. And the buy, sell, trade, sell store should be giving me at least minimum $350, but I've only gotten $350 for one pair of jeans before, which is Shein, and Shein isn't a high-end brand, so that's why. But I typically get $5 to $8 per pair of denim, which is awesome. And then I'm going to be taking the other jeans to my lister who'll be listing them for me. So if you like these videos, be sure that you do subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell icon so then you're alerted when I put out new content. I'm going to be trying to get out at least 2 to 3 videos a week for you guys and just sharing my experiences with Thredup as well as haul videos and all kinds of other different videos. So just let me know if there's any kind of content that you would want me to put out below in the comments. And until the next time, I hope you all have an amazing day.